Hey there, my name is Jacob and I am the founder and general manager of Summit Maids. We are a boutique house cleaning company here in Cleveland, Ohio. And, just like you, we're a little bit different. I just want to take a minute and tell you a little bit about us and how we do things. All too often, house cleaners will be showing up late or miss critical areas of your home that is really important to you. And when I founded this company, I wanted to make sure that we were the most client-centric house cleaning company out there. To back that up, we created the 200% guarantee, which says that no matter what, essentially we're going to make it right by you. If for some reason you are unhappy with how your house cleaning went or something was missed, we will send one of our cleaners out to make it right by you, give you a full re-clean at absolutely no charge. And if for some reason you're still unhappy, we'll give you a full refund on top of it. So, at the end of the day, everything that we do is for you, our clients, and we want to make sure that you have the absolute best experience that you possibly can. In addition to that, we also have what we call the no-show, no-call guarantee, which says that if for some reason you are scheduled for an appointment and your cleaner doesn't show up and you aren't given a call ahead of time to reschedule that for you, you're going to get 2 free cleans, absolutely no charge, just as our way of apologizing for that situation. We talk to all of our cleaners about the importance for giving you an absolutely incredible experience with every single appointment. And that starts the moment that they show up at your door and is going to go through absolutely every interaction that you have, from our scheduling team to our cleaners to myself. Everything that we do, it's for our clients and making sure that your life is easier as a result of what we do. Now, another thing that we do is we also make several different community partnerships where we actually donate a portion of our profits to local community charities to make sure that we are giving back to the community that's supporting us. We already pay some of the best wages that are in the entire cleaning industry here in Cleveland to make sure that we have both the best cleaners, but also are actually taking care of our team. And so we also wanted to make sure that we were doing the same thing for our community. We have 3 main values here. It's do right by the client, take care of the team, and give back to that community. And so, we are a house cleaning company, but we're small, we're a family, we are a member of your community, and everything that we do is about giving back to you or giving back to our community. So we are so excited that you're checking us out. We hope that you will book an appointment with us sometime in the near future. And we just look forward to making your life a little bit easier.